Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Boy with English. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we are going to talk about a secret that many teachers do not tell you. They tell you to learn big words, they tell you to learn difficult grammar, they tell you to speak like a dictionary. But today, I want to tell you the opposite. Simple English is powerful English. 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 Do you feel stuck right now? Do you feel your English is basic? Do you feel ashamed because you don't know advanced words? Listen to me carefully, my friend. Native speakers do not use advanced words in daily life. The core 5 verbs 90% of fluency. Let us look at the engine of English. There are 5 verbs that do 90% of the work. If you master these 5, you master fluency. Verb number 1. Get, the superhero word. Learners try to be fancy. They say, I am starting to understand the concept. I am beginning to comprehend. But native speakers, they say, I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. 2 years ago, I was at Starbucks. The barista asked, do you understand the menu? I said, I am gradually comprehending the beverage selection. She looked confused. I felt stupid. Then I said, I get it. Suddenly, connection, smile, easy talk. More get examples. Repeat after me. I got a new phone. I got your email. She got angry. Verb number 2. Make, the action king. Never say, I committed an error. Never say, I have reached a conclusion. Natives say, I made a mistake. I made a decision. Story time. My first job interview in Dubai. Boss asked, why should we employ you? I said, I possess extensive qualifications. Silence. Awkward silence. Then I switched. I make things happen. Boom, job offer. 50 plus make examples continue for 5 minutes. Heavy versus natural, 100 examples. Now let's compare heavy versus natural. Heavy English equals wall between you and listener. Natural English equals bridge to connection. Examples, repeat every natural phrase 3 times. 1. Feeling tired. Heavy. I am experiencing extreme exhaustion currently. Natural. I am really tired. Natural. I am beat. 2. Asking for help. Heavy. Could you kindly provide assistance? Natural. Can you help me? Natural. Help. 3. Talking about movies. Heavy. The cinematic masterpiece was quite entertaining. Natural. Great movie. Natural. Loved it. 4. Describing food. Heavy. This cuisine possesses delightful flavor characteristics. Natural. Tastes amazing. Natural. So good. Each example heavy to natural to repeat 3 times to 30-second pause. Psychology of simplicity. Why does simple English work? Your brain freezes when searching for perfect words. Science fact. When you learn a new big word, your brain uses 7 seconds to remember it. When you use get, your brain uses 0.3 seconds. The fluency cycle. Simple words to fast speaking to more confidence to speak more to fluent. Personal journey. I came to English with big dictionary dreams. Year 1. Failed conversations everywhere. Year 2. Discovered simple power. Year 5. Teaching you greater than. The simple word swap challenge. 24-hour challenge. Tomorrow, speak only simple English. Swap list. Practice now. Difficult to hard. Sufficient to enough. Enormous to big. Beautiful to nice. Immediately to now. Daily practice routine. 1. Morning. 5 simple sentences mirror. 2. Work. Replace one big word hourly. 3. Evening. Describe day in 20 simple words. Powerful close. My friend, you are enough right now. Your basic English is beautiful English. Simple English is powerful English. If you stayed 100 minutes, you are a true learner. I am so proud of you. Comment, I will keep it simple. Subscribe Boy with English. Share with one friend who needs this. Keep speaking, keep learning, keep it simple. Bye for now.